Hello and welcome back to Boopolo channel. My name is Pascal. Today I am going to do a review of a Fluke budget multimeter. It's called the 107. Fluke are generally expensive multimeters. It's a budget one, it's a pocket one, or what they call a palm one. So you can hold it around with your hand like that, or you can put it into your pocket like this. I'm going to take you through the features on it. It has quite a lot of features on it, considering it is the budget one. So it comes in the box with the battery. It comes with the batteries here. Already came with the batteries. And there's a calibration seal in there. You can calibrate it if you want to. We'll just lock that back again there like that. So I will give you the measurements of it first. And it also comes with, these leads. They are PVC, they are not silicone. It comes with this. I didn't use it yet, but I'm going to show you how to use it. It's it's a magnetic holder that goes onto the back, and it also acts as a stand. And it also comes with a comprehensive all-language manual. So what we'll do first is we will measure it at its widest point, which is up on the top, and it's coming in at 2 7/8 inches, or 74 millimeters. And we will measure it from end to end. Then I will turn it this way. And it's coming in at 5 3/4, which is 146 millimeters. So the thickness of it, it's very, very thin. This is very compact one to carry around with you now. So width-wise, depending on if you're talking about the one up there, we're talking about 1 1/4 or 33 millimeters or something like that, depending on what part of it. You can see here it's not the same. Now I'm going to take you through all the leads. I think they're 1.3 meters long, something like that. We will measure them. They're the length of this table, so we will measure the table. No, they're nearly 1.5 meters, 1.4 something, including the probes and the plugs. So they come with these covers on them for safety, I suppose, when you are working with high voltages or you're working with AC. But normally you will not want them on it. I don't want them on it, or you might be putting crocodile clips on it. It doesn't come with crocodile clips, but so I will, before we go through all the settings on it, I will have a look at this one, which I didn't use yet. Oh, it's got a piece of cardboard there, and another one here. Oh, this looks nice. It looks nice, but it's heavy because there's a big heavy magnet in it, and I presume it goes in this way. I'm going to put this on. It doesn't show you on the instructions what way to go in, but I think it goes in this way. Like that. A little bit forceful, and it goes like that. And like this. And so you can use this to stick onto, that's magnetic there, yeah. I think better this way. And there's a magnet up here as well, see? So there's a magnet up there. Actually, it will hold onto this little screwdrivers. So it's a fairly powerful magnet then. This is the way it should be going. I think like that. And then it's at a nice angle there like this, you see? At about 45 degrees. But you can adjust that as well. So if you're using this, you will leave it on all the time, and it will fold up like that. So it will fold flat, right, like this. So, but I'm going to take it off now for the rest of the video, because I'm going to be hand holding it, and I'm going to try and get you a nice view without going in too close. Now, so we'll plug the leads into it. We don't have to plug them in, but I'll plug them in now. They feel nice and tight. They're not so bad. I would prefer silicone ones, but On the top we've got the hold, and we've got the hearth and duty cycle button here, the hearth and duty cycle, and this is the one that brings it over from when you're changing from testing your resistance to your continuity to your diodes. And then we have the one for the light, and you can turn on the light and you can have the light go on and off. There's a sequence there for not having the light on and having it on. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to just take you through the different parts of it, okay? So the first one is going to be AC volts. That's going to be up to 600 volts. I think it's 600, yeah, up to 6. It will actually do up to 650. And then we'll go on to the next one, which is volts DC. And so then we're going into millivolts. Millivolts is only in AC on it. So on the millivolts, you can change it over the hertz auto range, and you can also put it into duty cycle percentage. That's when you're for maybe doing your motor car. And I'll take the covers off the probes here, and we will test it. Yeah, it's fairly quick. That's for resistance. I will check our resistor. I don't have all fancy equipment for testing it, and I don't think I will just take out a normal resistor from this packet, and we will test it. 470,000 ohm. 470,000 ohm, and I'm going to check two of them there and see what we're getting. There you go, it's 468. Yeah, that's fairly accurate. My resistors may be a little bit off. As it says, 0.4 mega ohms, which is the same. It's 47,000 ohms. So yeah, that works fine. So then what we do is we press the button again, and then we're getting, as it shows here, continuity test. And it's not too loud, I can hear it. I have lavalier here, you may not be able to hear it. I will move forward. It's fairly quick. They probably need to be, if you really want to test them, you should clean the probes. Yeah, and then we press it again, and that's for testing your diodes. And there's no, yeah, that's going to 0. That's normal. So there's no beep on the diode one. So and then we're going to go on to what I'll do is I have some small capacitors here. I will take one. I have one here. It's a 22. UF, or 22 microfarads as we call it, and what I'll do is I'll put it into one of these. This is very rudimentary now what I'm doing for you, but I have a shaky hand. Most people that know me already know I have a shaky hand, and what we'll do is we'll put it onto there and see how the 22 one comes out on it. It should take a couple of seconds. And it's coming in at 20, I'm after shorting out there. Yeah, it's coming in at 22.80. So yes, it works with that capacitor. I will try another one. I will try 33 here, 33 microfarad here, and see what that gives me, just to be sure that I didn't get lucky. And it's 33.45. So that works. It does test your capacitors. It goes from 1,000 microfarad. It says 1,000 microfarad. It doesn't say the minimum there. Then the next one then, of course, is for testing your current, and AC and DC you can check by pressing the button here. That's AC and that's DC, AC and DC. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on the light for you. See, does it make any difference to you here with the overhead camera? I have overhead light here, and it's probably not coming off so clear, but I can see this perfectly clear. So yeah, the Fluke 107 does everything it's supposed to do for a budget Fluke, and it's nice. What I do like about it is the size of it. It's nice and small. I have many multimeters. I bought them myself, and some of them are very, very bulky. But this one you can put in your pocket. You can put it in your suit pocket. You can put it in your trousers pocket. You can put it in your Levi's, and it takes up so little room. That's my review on the Fluke 107 budget multimeter, genuine Fluke, and it's for those that want a Fluke and you don't have the budget to buy one of the other ones that cost 3 or 4 times or even 5 times the price of this one. And you know when you buy it that the electronics inside in them, they have a much higher standard, all the parts inside in them regardless. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. This is the one I use every day mostly. I have some that are bigger and more complicated and are more have more features. I have some multimeters, but for every day. And when my daughter is doing, she's only 9, when she's doing her electronics, this belongs to her here, these magic arms, and she puts her panel up and she's doing her soldering. I'll put a link in the description where I bought this. I bought it on Amazon. And thank you very, very much for watching. And if you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe.